Good day everyone, I'm Junmel E. Bonilla from BSHM2A. I'm here to present about transportation law that cover the types of carrier and relevant provision of civil code applicable on the type of carrier. Transportation law is the area of law dealing with transport. The law of apply very broadly at the transport system level or more narrowly to transport things or activities within that system such as vehicle, things, and behaviors. What is the rules of transportation? Number 1. Rule of rules. These are the general rules. Keep left on the two-way road to allow traffic from the opposite direction to pass on the right, and on one-way road, allow vehicles behind you to overtake from right. When turning left, keep to the left side of the road you are leaving as well as the one you are entering. What is RA 1436 all about? It is required all motor vehicle to be registered in a national registry. It also set of registration requirements and fees for every car owner. Aside from that, this law also requires driver to apply a professional and non-professional license. So, let's move to the types of carriers. Common carriers. A common carrier is a person or a commercial enterprise that transportation passengers or goods for a free, and establish that their service is open to the general public. Definition of common carriers are a person or corporation that transport product or people is known as a common carrier. A common carrier advertise that they are available to transport any item or people that a hire may designate. A common carriers are obligated to take any item or person provided for carriers and are solely responsible for any commodities lost and damage. Here are the examples of common carriers: ship owner, taxi, railroad, airlines, services, and etc. So let's move to the private carriers. Private carriers refers to a company that owns the vehicle used to transport its own goods. A private transports the goods of other companies like a common carrier does. A private carrier is not a hire carrier and does not carry the goods of other company as its primary business. Position of a private carrier fleet depends on the types of goods the company deals in and the destination that it ships to. Example of private carriers. Semi-trailer trucks are the most common method of transport associated with private carriers. Though large business may also operate their own aircrafts, rail cars, or ship as part of their supply chain management. Other types of carriers with special rights and duties. Right of rewards. A common carrier has a right to charge a reasonable amount for his services. Right to retain in goods. If the charges are not paid to them, they can refuse to deliver the goods until the payment is made. Right of advance payment. They has also right to demand advance payment before they accept the goods. Let's move to the relevant provision of civil code applicable on the types of carrier. What is common carrier civil code? I will give to you a one article of every category. Number 1. General provision. In Article 1732, common carriers are person, corporation, firms or association engaged in the business of carrying or transporting passenger or goods by land, water, or air for compensation, offering their services to the public. Number 2. Vigilance over goods. In Article 1734, common carriers are responsible for the loss, destruction, or deterioration of the goods, unless the same is due to any of the following causes only. Here are the following causes: flood, storm, earthquake, lightning, or other natural disaster or calamity. Next is act of the public enemy in war, whether international or civil. The next one is the act of omission of shipper or owner of the goods. The character of the goods or defect in packaging or in the container. Number 3. Safety of passenger. In In Article 1755, a common carrier is bound to carry the passenger safely as fast as human cares and foresight can provide, using the utmost diligence of very caution person, with a due regards for all circumstances. Number 4. Common provision. In Article 1764, damages is cases comprised in the section shall be awarded in accordance with Title 27 of this book. Concerning damages, Article 2206 shall also apply to the death of a passenger caused by a breach of contact by a common carrier. That's all for my report. I hope you will understand. Thank you for watching.